The word kindness is derived from words meaning nation, produce, and increase, as reflected in its origins with the word kin, recognizing our common relation with others. Today, however, we generally use the word kindness to refer to the quality of being friendly, generous, and considerate, things that can produce and increase the well-being of a community. Without kindness, we widen the gap between us, becoming ever more separate and divided from one another. And yet, when you do recognize the common humanity in others, despite our differences, you become encouraged to treat those around you with courtesy and respect, opening the door to be treated in kind. The question becomes, what are you doing today to produce and increase kindness for yourself and the people around you?